You want your person back into your life only if they are sure about you and this connection, because you don't want to be treated as their option. And this thing your person understands very well, that you will only accept them when they will be ready to commit to you. You are ready to forgive them if they will approach you with genuine apology and speak their truth. Your person is seeing you in a high priestess energy at this time. They appreciate the level of knowledge and wisdom you have about spirituality and life. You may notice soon that your person is going to start a conversation with small sweet gestures. Your person is in their head about how to fix the situation with you because they cannot go without talking with you. Your person is feeling left out in the cold and ignored as you are not talking with them. They want a new beginning of equal love exchange with you. Subscribe for more upcoming channeling. Thank you.